Good morning, it's Thursday the 9th of June and this is your daily outlook. The euro edged higher today ahead of the European Central Bank interest rate meeting due at 11:45 GMT. No change in the monetary policy is expected, but focus turns to the news conference by ECB President Jean-Claude Trichet. Whether the euro will continue its rally against the dollar depends on whether Trichet will follow a hawkish rhetoric. Investors are expecting Trichet to emphasise on price stability and use phrases such as strong vigilance, signalling a rate hike. A signal for further monetary tightening by the ECB may add strength to the euro's rally, despite ongoing concerns about Greece's debt problems. Against the dollar, the euro rose to 146.31 from 145.64. The US dollar was under pressure against a basket of currencies as sentiment over the US economy remains weak. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar hit a fresh one-month low at 79.69 from 80.21. The Australian dollar dropped yesterday, weighed by disappointing jobs data. Employment change data revealed 7.8 thousand new employed people, while the market expected 25,000. Against the dollar, the Aussie shed 1.4%, falling to 105.62 from 107.11 trading yesterday. Aussie's neighbour, the Kiwi, rallied following the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's monetary policy meeting. Interest rates were kept unchanged at 2.5%, but a gradual rate hike was signalled. Against the dollar, the Kiwi rose to 0.8244 from 0.8140. Sterling edged higher ahead of the Bank of England monetary policy today at 11 GMT. The Bank of England is expected to keep the monetary policy unchanged. Sterling rose to 164.37 versus the dollar from 163.47. Oil prices gained 3.9%, rising to $101.86 a barrel from $98.02. Gold fell to $1,530.91 an ounce from $1,545.08, and silver edged lower at $36.05 an ounce from $37.14. Now let's take a look at the currencies to watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 145.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 145.65. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 79.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 79.90. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 106.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 106.50. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 163.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 163.60. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9770 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9770. Let's take a look at commodities. The oil pivot point is at 99.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 99.80. The gold pivot point is at 1542 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1542. And the silver pivot point is at 36.70 with a preference to enter into short positions at 36.50. And today's calendar and market movers are the UK interest rate decision forecast to keep rates unchanged at 0.5%. Europe interest rate decision is forecast to keep rates unchanged at 1.25%. And US initial jobless claims forecast to fall to 415,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative on Wednesday, with the SP 500 trading down 0.42% and the Dow was down 0.18%. European bourses were also negative, with the FTSE down 0.95%, the DAX was down 0.61% and the CAC was down 0.88%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.24% and the Hang Seng was trading down 1.04%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.